In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to pair and how to achieve a glowing skin without, breaking the bank, and also and not bleaching your skin. You get what I mean? Like looking like someone who is actually using bleaching cream. Just I'm going to actually telling you how to brighten up your skin just a little bit, okay? So in today's video, I have some products here with me. I'm just going to give example, then you can now know how to go about it. If you want to achieve a brighter skin and a glowing one at that, or maybe if you want to avoid bleaching your skin, some people buy body wash, body lotion, oil, and they be like, oh, this cream is making me too white, or maybe it's making me too dark. So what I want to say today is, if you have this kind of body lotion, I mean, everybody knows this body lotion only, right? This is vitamin C, okay? You're using it and you are now pairing it with another body wash that does not have actives. By actives, I mean those ingredients that can actually brighten your skin. This is why you need to talk to your skincare vendor, or anywhere you buy your cream. Like, you have to ask them, okay, which body wash is going to be good to go with this one that will give me the kind of skin color I'm looking for. So if you're using something like this, it will be good to use body wash that have a little bit of actives, like niacinamide or abetine, that will also brighten your skin, or kojic acid as well. That means if you use the body wash, this is going to brighten your skin, at least maybe a shade lighter, and this one is going to do the moisturizing part, and polish your skin the more. If you use this body wash, and you're also using this is lotion, and you're also using the body wash, don't expect too much. It's not like it's not going to work for you, but don't expect too much. Like, your color is still going to remain the same, and just that, okay? But if you're looking to brighten, like I said before, look a shade lighter, you can pair it to something like this kind of body wash. Like, I don't know, this body wash contains alpha abetine, which brightens, okay, and it has a lot of good benefits. So you can also use any body wash. You have to look at the ingredients to know what works. I see some people buy products like Dr. Teal's body wash and body lotion, and they are expecting it to do so much. For me, Dr. Teal's is for people who are really dark, but if you're fair, or maybe you want to brighten to be a bit light, Dr. Teal's is not for you, okay? Or you can use Dr. Teal body lotion and pair it with a good body wash that have a lot of brightening actives. Like, maybe you can look for body wash that have you can look for a body wash that has kojic acid, alpha abetine, niacinamide, and all of that. Or you can reverse it. You can find a mild body wash that does not contain a lot of actives that will brighten you. Then your body wash, your body lotion will not contain kojic acid. There are a lot of actives, but these ones I'm mentioning are the ones that many people are very conversant with. So anytime you're trying to get your body lotion and your body wash, try and compare and contrast. Vitamin C will also brighten you, but it's not going to give you a shade lighter. It's kind of going to polish your skin. Some people do ask about lactic acid. Lactic acid is not going to brighten you, but it's going to exfoliate and brighten your skin, so if you are confused about how to go about it, you can send me a DM via Instagram, okay, and we can take it up from there. If you want to achieve 2 shades lighter than your skin, I can put you on some kind of body lotion and body wash, and your skin will still appear very flawless. If you want to be just your skin color, something that will brighten, I can also recommend. So yeah, that's what I want to say. I don't have so much to say. And also, don't always forget to use a good body oil. A good body oil is to die for. Like, it's going to make your skin to look very shiny, okay, in a good way, not like it's going to make you sweat or anything. No, it helps the skin. It's the body oil is going to lock up your body lotion's moisture and make it last there for 24 hours. Okay, so that's what I want to say today. If you have any question, you can leave it in the description, or like I said, my handle for Instagram is on the screen. Just send me a direct message and we get talking. Okay, bye.